I got two popular Stihl trimmers here, FS94 and a FS131. Both are excellent trimmers with one major flaw. The heads that Stihl uses suck to re-spool. If you've ever used Echo, their speed feed head is probably the best you can get. So I'm going to be swapping the factory Stihl head for a speed feed. This one comes with the speed feed head and all the adapters you would need to make it fit other brand trimmers. So let's get the old one off. If you look on the head here, you'll see a hole. This is a Stihl tool that actually goes down and locks the head. But if you don't have that, a decent, properly sized screwdriver can do the same. This is also going to be a reverse thread. Normally, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but in this case, we're going to righty-loosey. Go ahead and take that off. Find the proper size adapter. That would be this green one. And take this head apart and swap the adapter. Alright, now I got the head apart. Remove this insert and take the same screwdriver that we took and just falls right out. Put this new one in. I'm going to push that in till it clicks. I'm going to reassemble the head. And once everything is put back together, just turn it to the left till it seats. Put it in your groove, tighten it down. Now I got a second one here that I'm going to open up and show you why they're so popular and easy to use. So basically, when you line these arrows up, you can see straight through it to the other side. You will pass the line through here, and I'll demonstrate on this one. So first we locate our arrow, align it. So I'm going to take a good length of cord here, fish it in, poke it through. Pull your line till you have equal lengths. Then all you got to do, hold the base and wind it up. By switching to the Echo Speed Feed style head, you should never have to open this up to string it again. There you have it. I managed to change two heads to a speed feed and re-spool both in probably less time than it takes some people to take the head apart and restring it manually.